Alright guys, welcome back to Autobahn Speed. My name is Dustin. Right now you see me driving here behind the steering wheel of the Alfa Romeo Mito 1.3 diesel, 85 horsepower. Yeah, I'm not expecting much. Doing now 5th gear, 2000 RPM in revs, driving about 100, so really not overspeeding right now. Yeah, we're gonna take it to the Autobahn and see how it does. Well, I have no idea what the top speed is, but probably around, let's see, 85 horsepower, probably around 170, 180 kilometers per hour is possible, I think. We're gonna find it out. And now, if you want to see more about this video, by the way, about this car, then check the other video where I take a closer look at the Alfa Romeo Mito. I will show you all the details about the interior, or watch the video where I do the first drive with this car and give you my first impressions of it. This car drives pretty smooth in the city. It's really a city car. All your controls are very close to you. The shifter is right next to you at the correct height. So everything is fine. Entering Germany right now, and then wait for the sign where it says no speed limit. Welcome in Germany. Let's push it. No problem for this car in 5th gear. Push it more. Then go back. 4th gear. Push the pedal all the way down. Not much happening. Also not going faster than 160 for some reason. On GPS it says 153. $163. 170 on the meter. We can make it 180. Car still feels quite stable, no problem there. $170 GPS. The road is going down a little bit, so maybe that's our luck. And that one, a GPS meter is going down, but we reached 173, and I think that is also directly the limit of this car. let's do it again. Fourth gear, pushing it. Yeah, there's really not much happening. The car says shift. It really takes time. Pushing it further. But not much happening. Let's see if we can overtake this car. But the car really has trouble. 160. Yeah, traffic. Brakes are good, no problem. But yeah, it's not really a sporty car. Was not expecting that, but yeah, it was not really that great. Give it one more try. Let's go. Car is in dynamic. Push it. Really takes long to go to top speed. 169, 170. Traffic. Pushing it. Pedal all the way down. $169. Yeah, that is about the limit. 170. Try to keep it. I can try to push it more and more, but I think the result will be the same. 173 on GPS is really the max. It was like 180 on the speedometer. that's it. And after doing a top speed, it used quite a bit of fuel. So on top speed is not that economical. Yeah, that is the top speed run for now. Maybe later I'm gonna try it another time, but I think we're not gonna make it a better time than 173. So let's end the video right here. Also entering Holland again. Made a short round, but it's no use to push it further. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Also write down in the comments what you think of the video, what you think of this car, of course. And if you want to see more videos, well, please watch the other videos that I have with this car. Yeah, thank you very much for watching and take care. Bye.